Turn around.
Okay, you see this, right? I'm not drunk and drive. Let me blow. I know my right.
Holy shit. Stop grabbing shit out of my car. Back up! Back up!
On March 16, 2024, in Florida, a sheriff's deputy pulled over a car after seeing it swerve at high speeds. But when the officer approached, the driver flipped him off, sped away, and nearly hit a deer before finally stopping. This is what happened next.
Why are you getting out of the car? Why are you getting out of the car? Step back. Step back. Step back. I did not tell you to get out of the car.
You're gonna tase me.
Walk to the back of your car.
You're gonna tase me.
Walk to the back of your car.
You're gonna tase me.
Walk to the back of your car.
Shoot me, why don't you?
Walk to the back of your car.
Shoot me.
To the back. To the back of your car.
Scott!
Turn around. That's what you're good for.
I don't feel safe.
Okay.
I'm gonna call 911.
Turn around. Do not reach into your bag. I will tase you if you reach into your bag. Turn around.
Okay, you see this, right?
Turn around.
I will drop my bag for you. Are you a newbie? How long you been on the force, dude? You're
Turn
watching
around.
the whole thing, right? That's my neighbor.
Turn around.
Scott!
Turn around. Place your hands behind your head.
For what?
Place your hands behind your head. Place your hands behind your bed. Place your hands.
For what?
You're driving off the side of the roadway. You didn't use your turn signal and you're speeding when you passed me.
You're joking, right? You're kidding.
I've ordered you multiple times to turn around and place your hands behind your head. Now turn around and put your hands behind your head.
Can I get my boyfriend?
No. Put your hands behind your head. Are you an adult?
I'm 35 years old.
Okay, you're an adult, then you can do this yourself.
I'm a mother of 3.
Look, ma'am, I don't want to hurt you, but if you don't listen to me, I'm going to have to.
You're going to tase me?
I will have to if you don't listen to me. Place your hands behind your head.
You're a little pumped up. Why are you squeezing my hand so hard?
Because you keep not listening to me. Stop.
Okay,
Please.
Do you know who,
Stop.
Do you know who it is?
Okay, well, you smell like alcohol, too. Maybe that's why you're swerving all over the road.
You know who Dennis Ward is? Why don't you call him?
I don't need to call Dennis Ward.
Well, why don't you?
Because I don't need to.
Well, you might have to.
What does he have to do with this right?
Because if you take me to jail, it might, yeah.
What
I'll blow. Go ahead. Let me blow. You're joking. How long you been in the force? What year are we at? Bro, you're new.
Okay.
You're so new. I'm 7th generation Floridian. You probably aren't
Please
here,
stay.
bro.
Stay.
Or, are you talking to me like a dog? Stay or what?
Okay,
dude?
well, I've
Stay
given
or
you
what?
orders as a normal human, and you don't seem to respond
No,
to
you're
that.
not. You're talking to me like I'm an animal, like a dog. Sit, stay. Like, look at your hand pressing on me, bro. You don't have to touch me.
I do.
I'm not a criminal. I don't have drugs on me, dude. I don't have any pot, any...
Okay, stop.
Search
Stop.
my car.
Stop.
No, it's...
Stop. Stop.
Please call your supervisor.
No,
Why?
because I don't need to.
Call your supervisor.
I don't need to.
I think you do.
Do you have anything else on you?
No, I don't. What kind of police state is this, dude? I hate this, man. You're not... Are you... Really?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Going to jail for what?
For
Can
resisting.
I get my purse?
No.
Resisting?
Yes.
I'm going to jail for resisting.
When you don't
Can I
listen
get
to
my
me...
cash out of my purse so I can make bond?
Okay, sit down.
Holy f... Are you
Sit down.
serious?
Yes, you're going to jail.
For what?
First off, you're drunk and you're driving a car.
I'm not drunk and drive. Let me blow.
Be that as
Can
it
I
may,
blow?
you're resisting.
Can I blow?
No, not right now.
I know my rights.
Okay, fantastic. Well,
Can I
one
at
of your rights
let
is
my
the right to remain
boyfriend
silent.
know?
I suggest you do that right now.
Can I at
Put your
least
feet
let my
into the car.
boyfriend know to come pick me up?
No, you can call him at the jail. Put your feet in.
I don't know his phone number.
Put your feet
my
in, please.
phone's dead.
What's your name?
Darling,
Darla.
Goodell.
I'm John, okay? I need you to put your feet
Can you
into
look me
the
up
car.
and make sure I'm not a criminal? You can't just take me like this.
I
have
can
3
actually.
kids and a job. Like, please.
Okay.
Can we talk?
Can you
we have
put your feet into
yeah,
the car,
can we have a
please?
talk?
Yep.
My purse is...
Yep, I'll get it.
Can we have a
Put
talk?
your feet in.
Please don't take me to jail. Are you serious?
Yes, you're going to jail, Darla.
Can you get all the money out of my...
Yep. Keep your feet
I
in there.
need my money out of my...
I need you to put your feet
I gotta
back
make
inside.
bail, bro. Please, can you get my money?
23 offensive 2058 2258.
Piece of pizza. Copy, thank you. Buzzball chillers, pineapple colada. Prednisone. Pretty sure that's an antibiotic. Pickle bites. A little bit more cash, another $1 bill. Yeah, well, when she passed me, so I'm driving towards US 1 on Key Deer, and she's driving the other way, and she was literally, her passenger side wheel was completely off the road, like in the grass, and I'm just driving. I'm like, ah, fuck. So I turn around, I speed up, I get like not too close behind her, and she's just still driving off the road, swerves back into it, drives off. I'm like, oh, maybe a DUI. So I turn my camera on, start following for a minute. She starts trying to turn on the side road without her blinker on, so then I put my lights and sirens on, and then she just like sped away.
That's funny.
And then stopped here and started screaming for her
She
boyfriend.
young or older?
35, she said.
I think this.
Oh yeah, I called for code 4 when I had my taser up. I didn't know if I was about to tase her or not. I mean, I don't know if she was gonna... I don't even know her. She just kept asking me how long I've been on and telling me that I'm a rookie and that I don't even bait, or like I've never been in Big Pine or something. He's definitely not from Big Pine. No, it's kind of hot, but yeah, and there's fucking bugs in there, you see them? Roger, you out here still? Roger, I'm gonna use your recycling can. Okay,
Like,
so...
get a ticket, please. I'm a good, outstanding citizen. I'm a mother of 3. I'm a member of this community. I work for Del Rose. Like, I'm trying to do real estate. Trying to do better in my life. I'm not drunk. I'll blow it for you. Like, I'm good. It just you scared me. I'm not gonna lie. I've been dating this guy that lives here for about 6 months. Yeah, we just got in a fight, and I was coming here to get my stuff.
Okay, and his name is Scott?
Mm-hmm.
Scott what?
Scott, so you can actually come in with me to get my stuff. We just got to be fighting. I'm moving out.
Okay, well, your response to all of this was not correct.
Well,
I tried to pull you over way back there when you turned, and then you kind of...
He just broke up with me, and I'm coming to get my stuff.
Yeah, but when I have my lights on and then I put the siren on, you speed away from me.
I didn't see you.
Okay, well...
I'm sorry, I had the music up, and I'm crying. He just broke up with me at the gas station. We went to Winn-Dixie, our office. We work for Keller Williams next to the liquor store. And he was like, it's over, and I was coming to get my stuff.
Okay. Well, the thing is, your response to everything that just happened, I have to take you to jail. Okay?
Can I at least get my wallet so I can pay to get out of jail?
Yeah, I'm bringing your purse and your hat and stuff.
My wallet's in my glove box.
In your glove box?
There's a wallet.
Okay. So, for right now, you're
Can
definitely...
you at least tell him, like, to come get me? Because I don't want to walk from Key West.
I thought you guys just broke up. He's going to come pick you up?
I'm sure if... I'd hope so.
Okay. So... You smell like alcohol, too.
I'm going to be stuck in Key West, and I'm either going to be walking, or I would hope that you would let him know to come pick me up. I would hope he'd come pick me up.
Okay, we'll let him know. Okay.
Can I have my wallet?
Yeah, I'll go
and my
get
glove box?
Yep, I'll go get it.
Thanks.
Yeah, no, I'm not getting her out of the car. Yeah, she only had like $90 in her purse. I don't want it to like blow away. Yeah, when she got out of the money, or out of the car, money was like flying out from her. Is this all 20s? Dude.
But just when you thought it was over, Scott arrived, and it quickly became clear why these two are a perfect match.
Hello, is that your girlfriend, Darla?
It is.
Okay, so she's gonna go to jail.
For what?
Well, she tried to run from me, and then she got out of her car and started coming towards me. And I gave her a lot of orders to go back to her car and turn around, and she wouldn't do it.
District
That's
4
illegal?
units, copy A suicide threats, racetrack.
Okay, I think we're done talking if you don't understand how that's illegal.
Female suspect was inside
Okay.
the store acting very erratic, said she was going to kill herself.
Do you have any
today.
other questions?
The subject is now outside. She got inside of a silver Nissan Pathfinder Florida tag of 33 Bravo Hotel Alpha Sierra 3.
I guess not. You guys did your job, huh?
Yeah, she's gonna go to Key West jail.
What was she getting pulled over for?
For a lot of different things that don't concern you, she's an adult.
I get that, but she is my concern, so you should owe me some answers.
Are you her
here.
lawyer?
Are you a fucking lawyer? Dude,
I'm not. I'm a
talk to
police
me.
officer.
Talk to me. I need to know
I don't have
what's
to.
going on.
She's an adult.
I get
You
that.
see what she's doing right now, right? This is why she's going to jail.
That's not illegal behavior.
It is illegal.
That's not. Knocking on the door is not illegal.
If I tell you with this badge and these lights on, if I tell
Actually,
you
I
to
have to-
back away
there has
from
to
me
be- there has to be
and
a
you
com-
don't do
a
it,
crime committed. There has to be a crime committed for you to arrest somebody, right?
okay.
On what suspect, what crime did she commit for you to arrest
Again,
her?
she's an adult. I don't need to explain
You
this to you.
do.
By what?
As an employee to me, you need to.
An employee to you.
I pay taxes, right?
That's
I
a good.
paid- yeah,
Okay,
so-
Scott, we're done. Scott, we're done talking.
No, we're
Unless
not.
you want to
No,
go
no.
in the back of my car as well.
For what crime?
Well, because I told you we're done talking right now, I'm doing an
That's not
investigation.
illegal. That's not illegal to talk to you this way.
Okay.
I'm sorry,
Darla,
this is
stop.
hurting really bad. Can you just like,
crime did she commit?
You're turning your hands in them.
It's so tight. Can you unloose it just a little bit, please?
Okay,
It's
you
hurting.
need to stop kicking in the back of the car,
but
please.
this is really hurting my hands. I have a disability, and can you please a little bit? Please, I have lupus. Can you just loosen it up a little bit, please?
Okay. Because I don't have to tell you that.
Let me hear you inform her of what crime she's being committed.
Again, I don't have to do that either.
Why not?
Because I don't have to. You're now my
Sounds
boss.
like you're not doing your jobs very well.
Okay, then make a complaint. My name is Deputy Jonathan Lane. It's right here. I don't have a badge number, but if you'd like, I can give you my name on a business
You got a
card.
card?
Yeah, I'll give you a business card with my name on it. You can call and complain if you'd like.
You got a card too? Or you're not old enough yet?
Sir, can you stop stepping towards us?
Not at all.
Oh, are you threatened?
Yeah.
In my business attire, are you threatened with?
I don't know you, but I'm about to turn around.
Yeah. Okay. Good one. You guys are so tough here.
There you go.
Toughest. I see your hands shaking there. You do this often?
Yeah?
Yeah, I can tell. Cool. What crimes, dude? What crimes? Did you tell her what crimes she's being arrested for?
I did.
Babe, did she tell you?
Okay.
Turn on the AC. It's hot as fuck in here, please. Can you turn on the AC, please?
is on.
It's hot, but
Do you have her personal possession?
Okay, you just littered. Back up. Back up.
Littered?
Stop.
Littered?
Stop.
Really?
Back up.
Now I'm getting...
Back up.
babe, don't get arrested. God damn it.
Can I have her personal possessions?
She wants them. I will ask her.
You should ask her.
Okay? This is a traffic stop, though, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me talk for a second, okay? I conducted a traffic stop on her, okay? You have nothing to do with the traffic stop.
Okay.
If you show up on a traffic stop that I'm legally and lawfully conducting and I tell you to walk away because you're interfering with my traffic stop, that is
She was already in
obstruction.
handcuffs, though.
That is obstruction still.
Okay.
We're still on a traffic stop. I'm telling you not to go to the car because we're towing it. You're saying no. You start walking
I didn't
away.
say no to it.
You come back
I'm
over
asking
to
for
us in an
personal
aggressive
possession.
manner, making
I'm
a
asking for
fist.
personal
You
possession.
grab the card out of his hand and throw it on the ground, then turn towards me and put your arm inside of my car. I'm not doing that, Scott.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Sure.
We can take you to jail too. We can make this as inconvenient for both of you.
Absolutely.
I don't want to do that. Okay? You're just a random guy outside of your house, you know?
You're just a
So I don't need to take you to jail for that. But if you start obstructing my investigation, I have to take you to jail. Okay?
Can you ask her if I can have her shit?
Yeah.
How come he could go but I couldn't?
Do you want him to take your stuff?
Please let me go.
you
You're not
want-
gonna let me go?
Do you want him to take your stuff?
My money to come bail me out. Can I ask him if he'll come
Do you want
bail
him to
me
take
out?
your hat, your purse, your wallet?
Just my wallet with my money in it. If he can bail me out, Scott, will you bail me out? If he gives you my wallet, will you bail me out?
Hold on. We're not talking to each other right now, okay?
Why not? You got a right to talk.
Yeah, but not to each other.
Why not?
Because you have nothing to do with
it. The crime.
Baby, bail me out.
I will, babe.
Here,
We gotta
she
figure
wants
it
you to
out.
take her wallet with her money. No,
I got her.
stop.
Man, get my wallet.
Are you
Dude,
shitting me? That's her
stop.
personal shit.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop grabbing shit out of my car.
Okay.
Back up. Go away now. This is your last fucking chance, dude. You're gonna grab shit out of my. Back up. Back up.
I'm on.
Back up.
Oh, you're gonna get
Back
physical
up.
with me?
Yeah, I'm telling you to
I have
back
my
up.
hands behind
You're
my
running
back.
over to me,
I'm
walking
not.
up behind me, grabbing
Dude,
stuff
are
out
you
of my
that
car.
scared of me?
Stop.
Goodbye.
If you get closer to me
Goodbye.
again,
Goodbye.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Strip. I don't have to do this. I don't have to comply.
No, I'm gonna ask you to do field sobriety exercises.
Take my blood or take my breath.
Okay, that's not how
It's
it
already.
works.
You should have done this when you pulled me over on the side of the road. You should have got me to go out and do all that, like monkeying around in the road. You should have done that there, because now I'm stuck here and I can't go. So why would I cooperate with you?
Okay, so you don't want to do the field sobriety exercises?
I'm already in handcuffs. We're in jail, bud. This is too tight. Come on.
Yeah, but I don't know if you're DUI or not.
Take my breath or my blood.
That's not how it works.
Can you undo this
No, not right now.
a little bit? Can you loosen it up and I'll cooperate with you because it's too tight? Like, I'm being fair. Can you be fair with me? Can you meet me in the middle, please? Halfway.
I checked your handcuffs when I put them on.
This one is way too tight. Please, just a little bit. I will work with you, bro. Just a little nudge, please. Thank you so much, bro.
If I take the handcuffs off, are you going to do anything
Of
dumb?
course, I swear to God, bro. I'm already in jail. What am I gonna do? I promise.
Okay.
Please. Thank you. Bro, look at that. Is that
Hold on,
right?
hold on.
No. Look at that. Is this okay?
Ma'am, stop.
I get
What
it.
did
You're
I just-
hurting me, bro.
I know, but what did I just
I'm
say?
ask-
What did I just say, though?
You like this. This is, you get off on this.
Okay, now I got to put you back in these. Okay.
I'm not drunk, dude.
Okay, well, like I said, you smell like alcohol, so I just
Okay.
need to make sure you're not drunk.
Yeah.
Okay, so all I'm going to do is have you look at the tip of my finger right there. You see it? Mm-hmm. I'm just going to have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and
Yeah.
do not move your head.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So just your eyes, don't move your head.
You done?
Just a minute. Okay, I don't think you're over the legal limit either. I'm going to turn you over to them. I'm not going to charge you with DUI. Okay?
The woman was charged with fleeing from a law enforcement officer and resisting without violence.